Before midnight, there were Finnish DJs here.
Yes.
Were you here before midnight? Did you hear them?
Yes, but I was here and I was go and I was here and I was go.
Ah, so you don't remember?
Here and go. Yeah. Kaj bi jaz počela jutri brez omejitev? Če bi bila brez omejitev, bi jutri šla najrajše v naravo, si sprostila dušo.
Ja, jutrišnji dan se bo verjetno začel z neko jutranjo kavo v hudi kavi, kot ponavadi. Nadaljeval pa z obiskom prireditev kulturne Evropske prestolnice kulture.
Jump from the bridge in the driver, swing until Kamasha, and go a big party in Kamasha.
In če ne bi bil služben full cash, bi se zbudil ob 11 in bi šel za računalnik in bi pač delal sam.
I want to be a superstar.
Če ne bi bilo nobenih omejitev.
Yeah, my dream just now is to travel to visit Australia.
Austria.
No.
Austria, yes.
Australia.
Ah, Autriche ou Australia?
Australia.
Ah, Australia.
I would steal a bus. I would ride the bus around the city. I would open all the doors and say, hey people, come here. I have beer here.
And make love with Melanie.
I know.
And when it was 1 minute to midnight, I would say, we do not die because it's the end of the world. We die because I drive this bus into the river. And there we would go.
Oh my god.
Vsekakor ne bi delal.
And have a good trip, lots of trip, and help the poor poor people in the world. And I don't know, enjoy my life.